So now we are going to move to the next topic, that is types of hackers. Now जैसे कि हमें पता है कि एक्चुअली अगर तुम साइबर फॉरेंसिक देखोगे, साइबर सिक्योरिटी देखोगे और इथिकल हैकिंग देखोगे, तो तीनों सब्जेक्ट में तुम ये पढ़ोगे कि व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ हैकर्स। और जो हैकर की टाइप्स है उसमें 3 मेन टाइप्स है। तो वो जो 3 मेन टाइप्स है वही तुम्हें लगेगा कि क्या इतने ही टाइप्स है। नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। लेकिन पहले तीन वाले जो मेन हैकर्स के टाइप्स है, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी। द फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाइट हैट हैकर। ओके, व्हेन वी से व्हाइट हैट हैकर, उसका टोपी सफेद है, इसका मतलब कुछ तो अच्छा कर रहा है। सो यस, द हैकर who is going to instead of saying hacker, we will say IT professional or any computer expert who is uh, a paid employee of an organization and who will try to fix and find the security breaches and who will try to fix those patches in the network is called as an ethical hacker. So white hat hacker का ही दूसरा नाम है ethical hacker. Okay, so I'm repeating it again. White hat hacker is also known as ethical hacker. He is an paid employee of an organization who is going to find and fix the security breaches in any organization. So he is trying to secure the environment so that hacker won't be able to crack that system. So he is white hat hacker. तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़, उसको भी नॉलेज, यू कैन इमेजिन हैकर को स्टॉप करना है तो बट ऑब्वियसली नॉलेज उससे ज़्यादा लगने वाला है. सो ethical hacker has to be a very good programmer. He should be very good at understanding OS, DBMS, the core subjects of computer science. He should be very good at it. If you are saying that he has to be good in programming, no. Programming, if you're focusing on a language like C, C++, Java, no, you should not be aware about any particular programming language, because for ethical hacking and hacking, different tools are used nowadays. It's very easy for us that simply we are going to make use of tools and we are going to trace out what is the IP address, what is the MAC address, and what is the ARP spoofing. We are going to change it, we will be able to access it, we will be able to monitor the traffic, that which different protocols are right now there in the network. So for that, tools are available and you should learn tools. That's it. Now the second is black hat hacker. Okay, so when we see black hat hacker, color indicates something. Black means what? Some intentions has to be I can't say that has to be, like can be an harmful intention. So any person who is actually an hacker is also called as a black hat hacker. What he is trying to do? He is trying to break your security. He is trying to find out a backdoor to your system. So he is also known as cracker or malicious hacker. Okay. So एक hacker, cracker, malicious hacker, and black hat hacker all are same. Is he is a authorized person? No, he is not an authorized person. He is unauthorized person. Is he is going to pay, get paid? No, he is not going to pay. Is he is working for any organization? Not for any legal organization. Okay, not for any legal organization. So it can be like illegal organizations are there, so they can work for them, but these all activities are illegal and unauthorized. So that is black hat hacker. Now the next one is gray hat hacker. As the name suggests that it's not white, it's not gray, it's in between. 99% what happened whenever any black hat hacker or a hacker got punished, and if he is going for a jail, then they easily get convinced that yes, we do this, we did this was the intention. And 99% of time the intention was not to means I will not say today, but before 10 or 15 years, the intention was just to understand how any system works and to get famous. That was one more intention of any hacker. And once they're convinced, then government also thinks that if you have a brain, if you are very good at knowing all this technological stuff, so will you help us? So in that case, a black hat hacker is converted to a white hat hacker, then he becomes an ethical hacker and he's going to work for government or a specific organization, and then he will get paid. So it's a converted thing. So any person who was previously black hat hacker and now he, if suppose he is a white hat hacker, then that hacker is known as gray hat hacker. Okay. But what kind of guarantee you will give that that person will not become black hat hacker again? So there has to be a continuously government agents whom are going to keep an eye on it, that if that particular person is actually now genuinely working, or he is trying to find out some breaches. Now, then these are the three main types of hackers. The first one was white hat hacker, ethical hacker. Second one was black hat hacker. Also, we can say the black hat hacker was hacker, malicious hacker, cracker. And third one was gray hat hacker. That is when a black hat hacker is himself genuinely want to work like an ethical hacker for a particular organization or a government, then he becomes a gray hat hacker. Now, next one is blue hat hacker. As you can see, these are also called as script kiddies. These are the another form of an amateur hackers, much like a script kiddies. Script kiddies means what? Like you, the student whom are having the basic knowledge, and they think that if we find out that 2-3 tools are there, and we came to know this is the IP address, this is the MAC address, and then they try to do some mischievous things, then these types of hackers are called as blue hat hacker, or also called as script kiddies. Okay. So without intention, specific intention might be because of the flaw in the command, you will be able to see that in Linux. We are going to do it. I have recorded its video, so I am going to show that video itself to you. Using simple ping command, you can have this DOS attack. And if you're going to use this ping command on an internet, and if you have the IP address of 2-3 PCs, then you can do this DDoS attack. So it was not an intention purposefully to flood anything, but if you're going to do it, then you are called as a script kiddie, or also known as blue hat hacker. Now, the next one is the green hat hacker. Now, what is this green hat hacker? Same like your script kiddies and the blue hat hacker, but instead of, but they have specific intention of becoming full-blown hacker, and they are also called as neophytes. Okay, so जो ये स्क्रिप्ट किडीज क्या करते हैं, 2-3 टूल्स एक्सप्लोर करते हैं और फिर 1-2 अटैक करके छोड़ देते हैं, बट उससे आगे जाके अगर किसी को लगता है नहीं अभी ये किया तो उसके बाद में कुछ सोचना चाहिए या फिर कुछ अलग ट्राई करना चाहिए, खुद का एक टूल बनाते हैं, खुद का एक ऐप बनाते हैं जिससे मुझे किसी का भी जो भी मुझे कॉल करेगा आई विल कम टू नो द लोकेशन ऑफ दैट पर्सन, तो थोड़ा आगे जाके सो ब्लू हैट हैकर के 1 स्टेप अहेड इज ग्रीन हैट हैकर. Script kiddie के भी 1 step ahead because they are trying to do something on their own. Now, the next one is red hat hacker. Red hat hacker, you can see these are white hat hackers, means he is an ethical hacker, but the ethical hacker, when they are working for any organization, what is the steps of ethical hacking, I will tell you in the next lecture. But the last step of ethical hacking is you are going to write down one report, and in that report you are going to mention that in your organization or in your whole system, these are the flaws, these are the breaches, I identified them on so and so date, so and so time. So you're going to report everything. If you are not reporting those things, or you are purposefully hiding some things, then you are called as red hat hacker. So white hat hacker, he is a full ethical hacker who is going to report everything to the organization, genuine person. But red hat hacker intentionally try to hide 2-3 things, and they are not going to mention it in the report, final report, which ethical hacker should generate. Then they are called as red hat hacker. Now, next is the hacktivist. As you know, activists are there. Similarly, hacktivists are also there. Hacktivist means purposefully a particular political background person. They are going to send social messages. That you also know that on Facebook, there was in before 2 3 months when there used to be an election in America, then they said that Facebook has given the data of their users to these political parties in order to understand that what was the intention, or purposefully, if you are going to see some messages will come, or if your number is there in with some government agency, then also you will receive some messages on behalf of some political parties, and they will try to create agenda, and they will broadcast some wrong things about some political parties. So these all related things regarding social activities and political background, they are called as hacktivist. These type of hackers are called as activists. So if any person is trying to get your mobile number and he is trying to misuse it for these kind of agendas, then that person is called as activist. And the next one is cyber terrorist. As the name suggests, no need to explain it, but you can see the cyber terrorist will be an hacker who is going to attack on a computer and your public infrastructures in such a way that it he will try to make it to come to down or shut down. Okay, इन दिस वे. सो सबसे अगर डेंजरस वाला कोई हैकर है तो वो है साइबर टेररिस्ट. ये है तुम्हारे टोटल. वी कैन सी दैट हाउ मेनी 1 2 3 4 5
8.
हाँ, very good. So total 8 hackers types we have seen.